Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products.
Hi, my name is Sethakge. I'm the founder and CEO of a water supply company called Mogolo Water. It's a township-based water supply company. Obviously, the name Mogolo comes from the phrases "Beta Mogolo" or "Tapisha Mogolo" used across South Africa, referring to quenching thirst. We have pretty much just created a brand that a lot of people can easily resonate with. I must say, the experience of pitching, it was a bit nerve-wracking, but we managed to just, do the presentation. I feel like the time was just a bit short, but obviously moving forward, they could just try and increase the time. How to get hold of us? We are using WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 0799 592698, and then we are also on all social media platforms. You can check our company. On Facebook, it's Mogolo Still Water. On Instagram, it's at Mogolo Still. On Twitter, it's Mogolo with M caps, and then water with W caps, and then small letters.